Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Necromancer from Castle Crashers. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first I'm going to start off with his head. His head is kind of like a cylinder, but it has a point at the bottom. And then he has two horns on each side. The horn on the right, though, is kind of cut off by his head. And then there's a line down the middle like that. And then this is like where the helmet opens. And then now I'm gonna draw his eyes. It's just a few straight lines. His eyes are just half circles. And now he has these little, I don't know what they're called, like vents kind of, I don't know. There's 3 on the left and 2 on the right. They're kind of on an angle. And that's all for the head. Now this is his right arm. I'm going to draw his sword. The thing that really makes the sword pop is the coloring, so make sure to stick around to the end to see how I did it. It's got some sharp edges. The little triangle there. And then this is his body. 2 curves and a straight line in between it. That's his leg. It's kind of bent upward. A few details there on the foot. And then there's this other foot. It's kind of hanging down. I think I made it a bit too small, so if you want, you can make it a bit bigger. And then he's got a few details on his chest there. And there's his other arm, pretty similar to his right arm. And then here are his wings. Once you get the main part of the wings done, then there's just a couple lines for the actual wing part of it. And they're going to be a bit curved. The other wing is basically the same. Little spike on top, 2 spikes for the bone. I mean, technically it's not bone, but armature, yeah. I'll call it the armature of the wing. And I forgot a little detail there for the legs. And there's the Necromancer from Castle Crashers. Let me know what I should do next in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.